Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove this whole thing in an A4 B8 from 2010. Okay, so to remove this thing we will need a Torx T25 right in there with an extender obviously, and undo this screw, so I will be back to you when it's done. The screw is undone, and now you need one of these plastic tools that doesn't scratch trim to actually remove this, and you can pull on it a tiny bit. Yeah, a crazy man would actually directly pull on this and it will be probably okay, but yeah, I don't want to do that. So I'm putting this thing in here, and hard to do with my left hand, and pry this out, and then I will do exactly the same on the other side, and this whole thing should be coming out quite easily. And as you can see, I'm holding it at this point because it's out. These things, as you can see, they are not clips, they just latch on top of this thing. So you pull it just a tiny bit forward and everything comes out. And yeah, this is what we have in here. Let me try and give you a wide angle of this whole thing. So what I want to do now is also, in my case, disconnect these things, but yeah, it depends on what you need to do with this thing. And this thing is back in place, screw tightened, and we are basically done. Voila! And yeah, that's that. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye!